So, hi dear Scorpio, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising. For those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side, keep in mind the roles can be reversed. Also, the action can be from your side. Also, if it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono, but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. It has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. You can book your book your slots with the links given in the description box. You don't have to mail me unless you have any query regarding that. Okay, honey? Let's see. Scorpio, the person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, we have the World card, the Queen of Swords, the Knight of Swords. Yeah, someone is kind of tired of pretending that they don't care about this breakup or separation, or they don't think about you at all. They feel like they should come towards you, come running towards you. They feel like they should charge on you. It's like maybe in anger, maybe in frustration, or maybe in this energy of I'm tired of being practical about the situation. I'm tired of being cold and off and detached. I should connect with Scorpio. I should talk to them. They have this desire to connect with you, and not to just connect with you, they have this desire to sort it out with you, even if it is going to convert into an ugly fight. They feel like they should sort it out with you. It's very important for them to do that, because again they're tired of being like a closed off kind of energy from their side. They definitely feel like they should charge on you, they should come running towards you and maybe fight with you, maybe get the answers from you, like why do you did whatever you did and what are you up to and all this. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Scorpio? Ace of Cups, Page of Cups, Four of Swords. Wow. This person wants to come towards you with some kind of offer. This person wants to open up to you emotionally, and they want to come towards you with some kind of marriage commitment or long-term partnership kind of offer from their side. So basically, somebody wants to come towards you with open heart and soul, and they want to have a connection with you, a reconnection with you, a brand new beginning with you, and they want to start this connection and end this connection on commitment, long-term partnership and or marriage. So they're tired of pretending they don't care, and now their heart is opening. Now their emotions are getting over the top, and now they're realizing they should come forward towards you, and they should ask you for another shot with all of their heart and soul. There is no bad intention, there is no bad vibes or bad energy or something like that. No, it's like coming with a very beautiful heartfelt kind of energy. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 1st of December. We have the Ace of Swords, the Fool card, the Judgment. I do see somebody coming towards you, Scorpio, with this energy of can we have another shot with each other, clearing the air with you, even if it is going to be the hardest kind of work that they have ever done in this lifetime. Somebody is coming towards you with some kind of harsh truth, harsh reality. And then after that harsh truth, harsh reality, whatever is applicable in your case, they are going to have an offer of having a brand new beginning with you. This person wants to take the leap of faith with you, and they definitely want to have a brand new beginning with you. And there are very high chances of somebody asking for forgiveness or forgiving you for whatever happened between you guys, and asking for another chance. Chances of reconciliation, like a start of a reconciliation, start of a brand new beginning in this chapter between you and this person, is kind of very high at this present moment, by the end of this month and by the start of December. So this is what I'm getting. See, the roles can be reversed also. It could be you going towards somebody. Now, other person, other energy also have a free will. What they're going to do about it, that's completely up to you. And or if somebody is coming towards you, that's completely up to you what you're going to do about this thing. Right, honey? But Ace of Cups, Ace of Swords is a direct indication. Page of Cups, Four of Wands. Somebody is still very much attached to you, very much attached to the idea of being with you for the long term. It's like you're not gone from their energies. You are still very much attached to their energies. Guidance for you, Seven of Swords. Be very honest with yourself, Scorpio. when it comes to your love and relationship area, be very, very, very honest with yourself, be very loyal to yourself. Forget about the other person, other energy for a minute. Think about yourself, like what you really feel, what you really want, and where like your heart is kind of leading you right now at this present moment, where your heart is kind of telling you to go. Listen to your heart, and like be honest with yourself, be loyal with yourself, okay? And then proceed to the next chapter. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.